Henry? Yeah, you're not going anywhere.
I should make like a little video on this. Hey, come here.
Documentary on the great beast.
Ah, he's too close. Hey, Henry.
Taxi.
Hey, boy.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh, he's running on top of me. Oh, he's running. He's looking at me. He's looking at me. Oh, he's so cute. This is Cory's dog, Henry. Little Jack Russell Terrier.
He doesn't try to like hump you.
Yeah.
Like most dogs do, they'll try and hump you. He's not like that.
He's a nice little dog, isn't he?
And like even when he wasn't near, he still didn't do that.
Can't wait to make a video on when I get a new puppy.
He was more aggressive, but now he's just like a sweet little angel.
What's that? You found something? Oh, he sees it. He sees the bug. There's a bug.
Where did it go? You little big fatty.
A little big fatty fat.
Come on. Let's go for a walk.
I wished I had bring your pet to school today. I wish I had brought that back.
Bring your pet to school?
Yeah.
Henry wouldn't be able to do that.
He just attack all the dogs he sees.
He tried to fight a dog like 20,000 times his size. Like, this dog was huge. He still wanted to fight it. But that's just, he thinks he's a big dog. Your channel, are you?
What?
Those videos with me on them? Because look, my shirt.
What's wrong with your shirt?
People would take it offensively.
Who cares? Listen, everyone takes something on the internet offensively, okay? We're in America. It's pretty obvious.
But most of the people who view our videos,
it's a shirt. Well, that's just their opinion.
I mean, like, it's just a flag.
It's an America shirt. Who doesn't love America?
Yeah, it's America.
Remember the episode of South Park?
Yep.
You don't like America? Why don't you get out?
Come here.
Henry. Anyways, back to Henry. That's the most important topic of this video. Oh.
Zoom, zoom. Ah, no. Hey.
We're at Cory's house right now. We're in the woods, training the dog. There's a little, area here where he cuts wood and...
Hey, I have a question.
Huh?
All these videos, like, you keep stopping and making stop. Are you pausing or are you, like, stopping the footage?
Pausing. So that I can compile.
Oh, so how long has this video been?
I'm not sure. Probably a couple minutes.
Oh, it doesn't tell you how long?
Yeah, it does, but, like, only the clips are, like, 20, 30 seconds long. So he has, like, an area where he's got fire, he's got a tent, he's got a hatchet for cutting wood. Basically, survivalship skills, Because survival's important. Cory and I were currently building our own bug-out bags.
My parents live here.
Yeah.
Say my parents live here. Come on.
That's ultimate test of survival right there.
Come here.
Henry. He's hidden behind the bushes.
Hey,
we see you, Henry. That's right, dog. They call this place Fort Henry. Get it? Is there a Fort Henry?
Yes, there is. I think.
Oh, there we go. Fort Henry. Yeah. You got the
I'm
area.
sure there's a Fort Henry out there somewhere.
Most likely.